Hey friends, Katie Osborne with Truck Hero, and I'm here with Yannick, part of the international division of Truck Hero.
Yes.
So, what's new with SEMA 2018 for the international division?
Well, first and foremost, welcome, Katie, for having us, and we're very excited to have you at our Truck Hero International booth. We are a division of Truck Hero, but we specialize in the international market, because at Truck Hero, we know that 95% of consumers are outside of the world. So all our brands of Truck Hero are designing and developing product for the international market. So what is new? Last year at the SEMA show, we had the concept of the Retracts with the rail system. And this concept was so successful, we had so much positive feedback from our consumers that Retracts decided to go into production. Now we have it for most of the international applications, one of them being the Toyota Hilux, which is a truck not found in the US. We've brought it from Mexico, so to show our consumers that we are focusing on their market. We have it for the Isuzu D-Max, the Nissan Navara, the VW Amarok, all the trucks that are not found in the US. So this is basically the success from last year's SEMA, now into production, and we're already shipping all over the world.
Wow, and I love your excitement for the international division. Thank you for your time. SEMA 2018.